What up, YouTube and all my Ryker riders out there? The weather broke out here in NYC. It's about 60 degrees, so I'm gonna take a ride to the Cross Bay Memorial Bridge and give y'all a little story about that area. Follow me. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is I'm traveling on Cross Bay Blvd. This is the Howard Beach area of Queens, New York. It's the southwestern portion of Queens, New York. This is what we call Howard Beach. What you're seeing right now on my left is called the Shell Bank Basin. It's not really a bridge. Apologize for that maneuver. This is not advised, but because I'm trying to make this video quick and not a long drawn out thing, so I'm picking up some speed. Anyway, like I said, this is not a bridge. What it is just a road that connects the islands of Jamaica Bay. So this is a spot for where there's fishing and a little hangout spot here and there. When people come here to hang out, they can park their cars at the bottom there. What you see coming up on my left and my right, or the wooded area, that's actually called Gateway National Park. And Gateway National Park spans about 27,000 acres from Sandy Hook, New Jersey, all the way to Breezy Point, New York City. It's a wildlife refuge and a national park. It's also home to the Jamaica Bay Wildlife Refuge. This is the area of Jamaica Bay that surrounds this area. And what you do on either side is the Gateway National Park. And they, just like any other national park, it has a beach, animal preserve, and you can stop and take nature walks here. So it's a very big park. So you're gonna see it on both sides of my right and my left. Coming up now, we in the area of Broad Channel, Queens, New York. Broad Channel is actually the only inhabited island in Jamaica Bay. It has a population of approximately 3,000. So if you look, it's only about 20 blocks long and 4 blocks wide. But it's connected by a subway and a bridge. So this is the area, of course, they call it Broad Channel. Prior to that, I was in the area called Howard Beach. So I'll be traveling through Broad Channel now. So to my left and right. Like I said, I'm trying to make this video quick, so some of those maneuvers are not advised. So coming up now, we're headed toward the Cross Bay Veterans Memorial Bridge. That's going to be coming up straight ahead. Before you get to the Cross Bay Memorial Bridge, to my right is Sunset Cove Park. It's a little recreational area. It has beach, and it's a little park area that you can visit before you go over the Cross Bay Memorial Bridge. Once again, I apologize. Once again, I have to apologize for those maneuvers. Like I said, I've been trying to make this video quick. And that's going to conclude my video because there's the Cross Bay Memorial Bridge.